Hi everyone, Tom from Nozzle Pressure Wash again here. I'm excited to share this video with you today, although it has everything in it, whether that's rain, sun, wind, arguments with one of my kids, mistakes that we need to get over and rectify. But overall, you'll be able to see from this video from start to finish what we get involved in on each project. Ever since we started this business, since I left the mines, working in the mines, we've always had a goal, and that is to try and make it as successful as we can for our family, but at the same time to try and give back to the community wherever possible. So we created something called Transformation Tuesday. I know I've spoke about this in other videos, but this was one of the projects that we took on as part of one of these Transformation Tuesdays, where we reach out to the local community and offer to do a clean for free. So that's what you can see here. The car park didn't actually look too dirty from first inspection, but as you can see, when you go around the edge with a turbo nozzle, you start to see how clean it is underneath and actually how dirty the car park was, which is really satisfying. That's why these videos are so successful and I guess so addictive to watch, because you get to see something that looks quite dirty and be turned into something that looks really nice and clean and satisfying. So enjoy the video. You'll get to see my oldest son in this helping out, which I was really grateful for. As most parents will attest to, it's difficult to get your kids to help out sometimes. So for the majority of this video, he stands around and watches, pretending like he's helping. And then at other times, he actually does get stuck in and help out. So for that, I was really grateful. If you ever need any help with any pressure washing services, whether that's cleaning driveways or doing commercial pressure washing or even industrial pressure washing, get in contact with us and either myself or one of the team will respond as soon as possible. Our website's nozzlepw.com, or you can get all of us on our socials. But other than that, enjoy this video, and we'll look forward to posting again soon.